Exercise 4.1, first question, first Roman letter. Find all the values of x such that the first question is minus 10 pi less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 10 pi, and sin x is equal to 0. So that is the given idea to find out all the values of x. So, which means what are the value of sin will give to 0. You know very well about that. Sin 0 is equal to 0. Sin y also 0. So I select x value is y. But that is only one value. They are asking from minus 10 pi to plus 10 pi. So I select n. So what are the value you selected n? That all value will give to 0. Now next we decide the n value. That is the answer. X is equal to n pi, which belongs n is equal to 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3, and this is the last value plus or minus 10. So these full value to be applied here, and the sign of all the n value, I mean x value, will give 0. That is the all values of x such that sin x. Focus to the next question. They are giving minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by, and the different value is minus 1. Sin x is equal to minus 1, which means just you guess what is the value of x to be gives minus 1 for sin. I select sin minus by 2 is equal to minus 1. That is the answer, but they are giving the limits minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by. Let me guess what is the formula, I mean what is the n value like before. So it should be the n value is, you know very well about that, y by 2 is equal to minus 1. So I select x is equal to 2n minus 1 into pi by 2, where what is the n value here? So if you select 0 means it will give minus pi by 2. So x, I mean n is equal to 0, first value. And next you select, you substitute n is equal to 1 means 2 minus 1 is pi by 2. So it will give minus 1 or not. It's just a thing. If you n is equal to 1 means it will give minus pi by 2. So it is possible. So plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, and plus or minus 3, and 4 also will come for that. You may substitute all the values to here and apply it here and find out the minus value it gives or not. That is the easiest method to find out for all x value of sin x is equal to 0 and sin x is equal to minus 1. And next is second Roman letter. Y is equal to sin 7x, and y is equal to minus sin of 1 by 3x, y is equal to 4 sin of minus 2x. We are going to find period and the amplitude. Before we will start the sum, we just keep it our mind. That is the simply formula I found from the CBSE book. Y is equal to, I mean if y is equal to a sin alpha x means the amplitude is minus, I mean modulus of a, and period is equal to 2 pi by modulus of alpha. That is modulus a, that is modulus of alpha. You just equating the given sum and get the value, and substitute here and get the value. That is the very easiest method. You don't follow your book because that is a very lengthiest method. That is the easiest method. Look at the first question. Y is equal to sin x. So here the coefficient is 1. I equating a sin alpha x. Here a is equal to 1 and alpha is equal to 7. So the amplitude is equal to modulus a, that is 1, and period is equal to, what is period? 2 pi alpha value modulus of 7. Therefore 2 pi by 7. That is the period of the sine 7x. And look at the next one. Y is equal to minus sine of 1 by 3. So here A is equal to minus 1 and alpha is equal to 1 by 3. So the amplitude is minus 1 is equal to plus 1. I mean modulus of minus 1 value is plus 1. And period is equal to 2 pi by modulus of 1 by 3. If you take the modulus value, 3 will be going to the numerator, that is 6 pi. And the third question, that is 6 pi. Here A is equal to 4 and alpha is equal to minus 2. So the amplitude is equal to modulus of 4 is equal to 4 and the period 2 pi by modulus of alpha, 2 pi by modulus of 2 is equal to 2 pi by minus 2. Take the modulus means we will be changing positive. Cancel it. So the period is pi. That's all the answer. You copy that. And try out the next examples and exercise sums too. Write neatly, mention the date also.